Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Today is a very special day for me. I was just working on a project that I was thinking about showing you guys in my next YouTube video when suddenly my dad walks into my room from his office. Like, he came back from his office just like 1 or 2 hours ago, and he came into my room. He just gave me a box and told me, "Yo, unbox this." And you know what he gave to me? It's the DJI Tello. I'm so crazy about this Tello thing. Actually, well, this Tello drone is not made by DJI, but it's powered by DJI. It's made by Tech, powered by DJI, and not only DJI, but also it has Intel support inside. Like, wow, such an awesome package. So, how about unboxing this? Let's see what's inside. It's like sealed from this side. Okay, let's cut the seal first. I'm so excited. Like, it took me 1 hour to settle down my excitement, and to be honest, this video is not a scripted video, or like I won't be trimming or cutting anything. Yeah, just small adjustments I will be doing, but this is totally unscripted, out of the box video, and I'm still in a shock that I'm having one of the best company's drones in my own hand. Okay, let's cut it then. There it goes. I'm too excited. Wow, it has some kind of cardboardish cover. What to say about this? And here you get the drone. So let's see. I guess you guys can see what's here. It's the Tello drone, the drone itself. Here's a power cable to connect the drone, charging the battery. Instruction manual, who needs that? Okay, they give 4 propellers extra. Yeah, 4 extra propeller and the propeller opener. That's nice. And last but not least, the battery. What's the battery specifications? It's 1100 mAh, 3.8 volt, maximum charge voltage 4.35 volt. Okay, nominal voltage 3.8 volt. Yeah, obviously. And it can be charged by maximum of 3 amperes. Okay, I have a 2.5 ampere at my home. I guess that one will make it work well. So here's the drone. Oh my goodness, look at the beauty of it. See the shiny cover, like it's so shiny. And here's the Tello written on it. Here you can see the 5 MP camera, and this side you can see the power jack, like from where I will be installing. Where's that? Ah, here it is. Here I'll be installing this thing like this, and it will be connected to the charger to power it up. And here you can see the power button, this one. I think this part is for installing the battery. So okay, what's beneath it? Beneath it is the fan, like not a fan but the exhaust, I guess, for taking out the heat. And here you can see an infrared sensor and a receiver, and in between another sensor. Well, what I saw that these things are for not only height adjustment, but also like it acts as a GPS thing. Like, it can measure its relative distance, how much it has moved in front or back, and helps in performing various functions. So like this drone launched in India for about 2 weeks, and now it's in my hand, man. Okay, so let's install the battery here. Battery is installed. Where's the switch? Let's switch it up. Oh, yeah, it's blinking. You can see that. Wow, that's colorful, right? Yeah, it's awesome. So that's what this drone does. Unfortunately, I am recording the thing in that camera, I mean in my mobile, and so I can't use it. I will be releasing another video of its flying reviews and everything soon. Well, what I have heard about this DJI Tello is that it takes around 13 minutes flight time. It has a 5 MP camera in the front and which uses some image stabilization software, and that's pretty awesome. And you can see the propeller guards here. Okay, they are detachable, like you can detach them, attach them. I guess I shouldn't detach these things because they are very handy. And wait a minute, what happened? These things are like very flexible. That's nice. And it has some type of rubber padding here for safe landing. So I guess this weighs less than 100 grams, and without the battery it weighs around 50 or less than that. Yeah, the battery has some weight compared to the entire drone, so totally it weighs less than 100 grams. That's awesome. Not bad for nano drone. And you know what, this one is it's a dream come true moment. I just received the box. He gave it like, yo son, take this, and I was like, wah! I went totally crazy, and like I started texting in WhatsApp like, see, I got the DJI Tello. Tell me that it's not a dream, it's not a dream, it's not a dream. And there people are like, no, it's not a dream, we are seeing it, you are seeing it, that means it's the truth. Okay, so tomorrow I will be going out and testing it. I don't know about its battery status. It showed some yellowish red light. That means I think it's empty. I have to charge it. I don't know. Okay, so there I got the charger, and like I have to install it here. You can see some colors glowing. What? Where's the mirror? Is it glowing? Yeah. Some blue color. Okay. That means it's charging, I guess. I have to see. Okay, so I'm thrilled to fly it. Let's see what happens. And yeah, whatever I have seen in the internet is that this white cover is some removable type of cover, like even our mobile, just like our mobile phone covers, you can like buy different type of colorful covers for this drone and attach them if you like to. Okay, I won't be pondering with this thing. Let it be as it is. It's super cool. Super cool. White is a classic color, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. No man, what hope? You guys liked it. I know that. So hit the like, and if you guys are new to this channel, then subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video once again. And just recently, few days ago, my total YouTube reached about more than 5k viewers and 125 plus followers. Well, the followers are low, but viewers are more, like views are more, and I'm so much happy about it. And thank you for supporting, guys. Keep on supporting me and like woo, increase the number of subscribers, share the videos, and also nothing to say, like I'm totally thrilled with this drone and I want to fly this stuff now, like right now. So see you in my next video, and until then you have to wait.